Hello there and welcome to Insurance World TV. We're delighted to have you with us. Here we strive to provide you with content that's not only informative but also practical and actionable. We hope you find today's video on managing debt beneficial and that it helps you navigate your financial journey with ease. If you enjoy our content, please do subscribe, like and comment. We love hearing from you, and your feedback helps us create better content tailored to your needs. Don't forget to visit our website at www.insuranceworldtv.co.ke for more in-depth information and resources. And hey, we're social. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Insurance World TV and on Twitter at InsureWorldTV. Follow us for daily tips, insights, and interesting discussions. So, are you ready to dive in and learn how to swim your way out of the sea of debt? Let's get started. Ever found yourself sinking in the quicksand of debt? It's a tough spot, no doubt, but there's a way out. Today we're going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to get out of debt. Step 1. Acknowledge the debt. It's easy to ignore bills or pretend that debt doesn't exist. But the first step to solving any problem is acknowledging it. Remember, there's no shame in being in debt. It's a situation, not a life sentence. Step 2. Understand your debt. It's crucial to know who you owe and how much. Make a list of all your debts, including the interest rates and the minimum monthly payments. This will give you a clear picture of your financial situation. Step 3. Create a budget. This step is all about gaining control over your money. Determine your monthly income and expenses. Cut back on non-essential spending. Prioritize needs over wants. Step 4. Prioritize your debts. Not all debts are equal. Some are more urgent because of higher interest rates. Prioritize paying off these debts first to reduce the total amount you owe in the long run. Step 5. Create a payment plan. Now that you have a budget and know which debts to tackle first, it's time to create a payment plan. Pay more than the minimum amount if you can. Every extra dollar paid is a dollar less you'll owe in interest. Step 6. Build an emergency fund. It might seem counterintuitive to save money when you're trying to pay off debt, but having an emergency fund prevents you from falling further into debt when unexpected expenses arise. Step 7. Seek professional help. If your debt feels overwhelming, it's okay to seek help. Credit counselors can provide advice and help negotiate with creditors. Now, to summarize. Acknowledge your debt, understand it, create a budget, prioritize your debts, create a payment plan, build an emergency fund, and don't hesitate to seek professional help. Remember, getting out of debt isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It takes time, patience, and discipline. But with each step, you're getting closer to the finish line. So, as we wrap up this journey, remember that the power to overcome debt lies in your hands. It may seem daunting now, but with these steps, you can navigate your way out of debt. It all starts with the decision to try. So muster up that courage and take the first step. You've got this.